Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app is installed and updated. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, long press an empty area on your home screen, tap Widgets, then pick the widget you want. You drag it to a free spot and release to place. Make sure to accept any permission prompts. Without them, the widget cannot show data. You're already in action. This first sequence gets the widget visible and ready for the next configuration steps. You now customize. Long press the placed widget and drag handles to resize. This adapts the layout to your grid. Once sized, tap any settings gear on the widget or open the host app to select accounts, folders, or specific data feeds. This connects content to the view. Make sure to enable background refresh or battery exceptions when you want live updates, because aggressive power saving can pause widget updates. These steps ensure the widget shows the right content, formatted correctly. You finish by testing interactions. Tap different areas of the widget to confirm shortcuts open the expected screens. Once satisfied, lock your home layout or backup launcher settings so the widget stays fixed. If the widget appears blank or stale, try a quick troubleshoot. Force stop the app, clear its cache, then re-add the widget. This refreshes the widget's connection. Finally, make sure network and permissions are intact. If they are, the widget should update reliably and remain responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.